Hey guys, Tony here. I did want to release a quick video on BTC and just how it's been trading. It did beat that 4872, 48,007 resistance here. So it went up a little bit, but keep in mind right now, it just created a bear trigger. It's essentially a perfect sell-off that it created earlier today around 1 in the morning, and it's continuing to actually move to the downside. Not a lot, but it is continuing that trend to the downside. I think as of right now, I would not be surprised if we see a drop from Bitcoin back to like 46,000 or so. Generally around 45,000, 45,500, 46,000 or so. That would be a nice price target short term. I am waiting for the daily to actually close bullish, but it seems like it created another bullish trigger on the daily. So the daily looks like it's still a little more to the bear side, which is not good. And we need to close a weekend bear in the next 9 hours and 20 minutes, or else I think we are going to be going down and following this path of the 4 hour. As of right now, the last time that we sold off around this, when we had this same sort of trigger, we went from 50,000, so 50.4 down to 47.1. So I can kind of expect a similar drop to the low side, especially with the daily just creating brand new, like a brand new stronger bear candle for the reverse MACD. The weekly is also having super weak bull pushes, which is not good. And I think for the weekly, this will actually be the very first bear candle that we create since we started this rally back in July 19th. And this goes back to telling you guys, to keep a lookout for this weekly close on the bear side for Bitcoin, because every single instance that we have closed on a bear week, we tend to go 30 to 60% to the low side from those highs. So be very careful right now. I actually thought that we were going to see a bigger push on Bitcoin from yesterday to today. That did not happen. We actually ended up staying at around that 48.7 resistance, not breaking that level and going to 50. And we just kind of trailed sideways, right? And even on the hour, it's creating stronger bear pushes to the downside. So I really want to see what happens in the next couple of hours. I want to see how today plays out, because right now it's not looking good. I really don't know right now what direction it can take. As of right now, everything's looking like it's going to go low. I would not be surprised to see us around this same trading range or at 45K, Sunday, Monday. It would take a lot or a really big buy-in to push us to 50K Bitcoin. So as of right now, it does look weak. I know the last one that I released yesterday, I thought we were going to keep rallying. I was swaying more to the bullish side because I thought we were going to have a big push to 50K. Right now, that push didn't happen as strong as I thought it was going to. So, it actually ended up changing at 1 in the morning and closing around 4 in the morning, a brand new bear cycle for the 4 hour. And usually what happens is you have about an 8 hour window, maybe about like 12-hour window of bear movement. So I really wouldn't want to make any big decisions right now. 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. I would wait to see what happens around 1 o'clock PST. I want to see around 1 p.m. where price is right now for Bitcoin. If we're still around the same trading range, I can guess that the next time we create a bull push, we are going to be going back up to somewhere between 49 to 50. If by like 1 o'clock or so, we actually end up pushing to the low side and we're somewhere around 47K, then, I gotta say, I'm definitely bearish. But it really just depends on the closes and around the time, because like I said, 1 p.m. is kind of important because I'm forecasting that around 1 p.m. we're gonna see the actual movement of where Bitcoin wants to go. As of right now, things are looking bearish, but we gotta wait it out. I wanna see how big this push down to the bear side it actually is, because it's actually moving to the downside. So, after that close back here, you see that push down from, from highs of like 49K to right now lows of 48.3. So we need to see how big that push keeps going to the low side. And I think that's going to happen closer to maybe 9, 12, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's going to happen in the next couple of hours. I really just want to see the momentum that Bitcoin has, because everything right now is starting to look a little bit bearish. And if we don't see a push to the upside, you know, we can definitely go all the way back down to $45,000 for Bitcoin, as well as you know, everything, all crypto going down by another couple percentages, which I wouldn't be surprised about. So I'll see you guys later. We'll see what happens. I'm hoping that it goes back up to around 50K, but it's really just about time and the candle closes. This isn't really a forecast of Bitcoin. It's more of an update of where momentum is right now as of 7:42 in the morning PST time. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great weekend. Bye.